Hey, it's Cameron with MB. Just want to show you guys a new machine we got. It's called the Hyper Orbit CT, and there it is. It looks like a UFO, but it's not. This would be actually very nice in a house. So, not as fast as a rotary machine, let's say like the UFO. But the UFO is $4,000, and this is hovering right around 1,500, give or take. If you want the LED light, it's going to run into 1,700 something. So for the price and how easy it is to use, I think it's an excellent machine. It's not technical at all. You definitely have to, employees have to be somewhat competent, but this is about as idiot proof as it gets. It's even, it's consistent. I don't know if we can see here, but there's absolutely no change in the finish. There's no swirls.